Ndewo kekime. Ahambi Joma. Okay. So today I have a very quick video to make. Okay, I'll be talking about online Igbo lessons for kids in this season, especially when most kids are at home. Okay, so I'm offering some online Igbo classes for kids starting Monday the 20th, and I'm going to show you what we are doing with our class. Check him out. Nagakwa. Hope you're well. Okay, so I think you're seeing it now. Okay. So this program is called the Kids 6-Week Igbo Language Bootcamp. Okay. And just like it says, it's a 6-week program for kids. It's going to be done online. And we start Monday. So today is 17th. We're starting in 3 days. Okay. We're going to be meeting twice a week. Okay. It's a kids class. Each meeting will be half an hour, 30 minutes. Okay. We meet on Mondays and on Thursdays. Okay. The 2-time schedules you're seeing is because there'll be 2 groups of 5 in each group, so 10 in total. Okay, one group will be meeting at 6 p.m. till 6:30, and the other group will start at 7 and finish at 7:30. Okay, and then we'll repeat again on Thursday. So each group will meet at the same time, and the age range for the kids is 5 to 12 years. Okay. And I'll be grouping them by age. The younger ones will start at 6, the older ones will start at 7. Okay. So if your child is 6, for example, they will be in the 6 p.m. group on Monday and the 6 p.m. group on Thursday. Okay. And let's say your child is 10 years old, they'll be in the 7 p.m. group on Monday and 7 p.m. group on Thursday. Just half an hour, twice a week. Okay. We'll be doing this via Zoom. Okay. I'll be sharing my screen. I'll be teaching, demonstrating, using my hands, gestures to teach them, okay? And it's your choice if you want your kids' video to be on or off. It doesn't matter because I won't be recording those sessions anyway, so it won't be recorded. It's just for teaching them. However, they'll get lesson plans and video lessons that I have created specifically for them. But for the actual live sessions with the kids, it won't be recorded. So what's your child going to get in this 6 weeks program? Okay, they're going to get video lessons, like I said. So these are lessons I'll record for them, not the live sessions. Okay, pre-recorded video lessons. They're going to also get the audio of the same lessons, and this can be downloaded. So this audio they can download, and you can help them with their homework. Okay. They're going to get printable workbooks and playbooks. Okay, so this is PDF workbooks. They have things like puzzles, word search, crossword, and just simple workbooks like fill in the gap and all that to grow their vocabulary, which will help them in their speaking. Okay, and this is for you if you're, because I know it's hard to teach children Igbo, especially if you're in an environment where everybody else is speaking another language, maybe say English or French or something. Okay, so when they go out of the house, they start speaking English. But now we're all at home, is a good opportunity to actually immerse our children in Igbo. So whatever we're teaching them, they're more likely to retain it, and they have opportunity to speak it while we are all at home. Okay, so again, we meet twice a week. Okay. And there'll be homework. Actually, there's daily homeworks Monday to Friday. Okay, even though we meet only twice in a week, you have homework 5 days of the week, Monday to Friday. It's a simple homeworks that can be done quickly, but I want them to be totally immersed, to be doing it every day so they don't forget. And for this particular group, I'll be giving an E-storybook as a bonus at the end of the 6 weeks. Okay, so when we come to the end of the 6 weeks, all the children that have participated we get an e-storybook, okay? And plus audio, actually. Right, what's the cost? The 6-week program is £97 per child. They'll be meeting twice a week, so in total, it is 12 sessions. And this is a flat rate for each child, okay? So what would the lesson plans look like? So this is what we'll be doing in week 1, which is next week. We'll be doing alphabets, introductions, greeting, making requests, and the homework as well will reflect what we learned for the week, okay? Second week, the children will learn how to ask questions, how to ask what questions, why questions, where questions, and how questions, okay? And how to answer them as well. Third week, household items and chores. Fourth week, food. Fifth week, play. And the 6th week, we'll review what we've learned, go over it all, okay? And make a plan to continue learning Igbo, whether we sign them up again or not, but we'll make a plan for how they'll continue speaking and learning Igbo. Enola? Okay. Right, so yeah, that's it. The 6 weeks Kids Igbo Bootcamp in a nutshell. There's a link below this video. If you want to check it out, the link is there. What happens when you click on the link is it takes you to a page where you sign up first, and then you get the link to watch the link to see the registration page and to watch another version of this video if you want to watch it again. Okay, so when you sign up, put your email, your name, okay, then it takes you to a link where the registration page is, and you get more info again. All these things I've said is again on the page. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. It's ijoma@igbostudy.com. Okay, IJEOMA, ijoma@igbostudy.com. Or if you just go on igbostudy.com website, there's a contact form, just fill it in, and I shall get back to you, okay? And again, the course is 97 per child, okay? Per child. Right. What the ma? Ngwano o? Kode na asụkwa Igbo.